Today I went out with my Kowa TV zoom lens on a Canon EosM and I decided to shoot with it. Now, if you haven't seen the video about this C-mount lens that I have presented you, I will put a link up here so you can watch that video. In that video, I'm presenting you this C-mount TV zoom lens, and even I will do a little bit of inside test with the zooming, but mostly what was fascinating for me inside was really the macro capabilities, how with the macro capabilities and the way the macro ring is working, that I could follow focus things. It's a very interesting video. Mostly at the end when I'm doing this macro, just watch that video. But after that, I thought a lot, and I thought to myself that the way where it is really useful, this lens, is outside, where you have big spaces and that the zooming thing can be really interesting. So I took out the lens and I tried to use the zooming capabilities and really try different perspective, different places where I shoot some clips, and I really think that having a zoom lens, it's quite nice, but my opinion is that zoom lens is kind of a lazy videographer, because you just put your camera in one place and then you are using the zooming capabilities in order to search or have that perfect frame. As with the prime lens, you have to move, you are moving, you are searching, but finally you will find that nice frame. But with the zoom, it's easiar. However, a couple of things that I have realized with the Kowa TV zoom lens, starting from 12.5 millimeter until 75 millimeter, and with the maximum aperture 1.8, is that because it's a CCTV zoom lens, it's working strangely, meaning that the focusing ring, it's changing a little bit the focal length also of the frame. Meaning that let's say I have the distance focal ring, like I'm putting at 20 millimeter focal length, and when I'm starting to focus the subject or the thing that I'm shooting, the focal length is also changing. So it's not just focusing, maybe this is the focus breathing thing. So if this is the focus breathing thing, then fortunately this Kowa TV zoom lens has a really big focus breathing, unfortunately. But beside that, I really think that it's quite great. We can obtain really nice frames, nice shooting, and sharpness out of it with character. And this kind of lens, I mean, we do not have to forget the main thing, the budget. So this is like $10, $12, this kind of lens. So yeah. Unfortunately, again, we can use only the crop mode 1:1 and the preset 2.5K 14 bits RAW. So for 2.5K, I mean, it's nice. I really like it, but it's a lot of cropping. So for example, if I'm on 12.5 millimeters, in this preset, I am at 30 when I'm putting it on 20 millimeters. Realistically, I am at 50 millimeters. So there's a lot of crop and magnifying things that are happening. But anyway, I invite you to watch the footages and tell me in the comment section below, what do you think about these footages? What do you think about the quality of the lens, regardless to the images? Is it worth it, and are you interested to having in your arsenal or not?